Hi folks, my name is Nestor Suarez and I'm here to show you how to build our beautiful unassembled infinity chair. So let's get started. First, when you open the box, you're going to have the chair back, the front legs, the seat, and the 4 spindles. You're also going to have a little pack of screws and screw caps. So as far as tools, we bring a regular Phillips screwdriver, we have a rubber mallet, and to speed up the process, we have our power drill with a Phillips tip. To get started, we're going to grab one of the spindles and the front legs. So the neat thing is the spindles have, I don't know if you can show that, has these little grooves, has one on one side and one on the other side. And then the hole itself, and I don't know if you could capture that, has these little notches. So the idea is you just slide this into the grooves. That way it's aligned perfectly. It's not misaligned. Super easy to do. The one trick about this is they need to be pointing inwards. So if you notice this one is pointing outwards, that's the wrong way to do it. So we're going to just take that out, point it inwards. Super easy to do. Now we'll do the other side. Voila. Boom. Easy peasy to do. Next, we're going to add the chair back. So we'll just align this. Just pop it in place. Okay. And that's ready to go. So I like to put the whole chair assembled together before we screw anything, just in case there's any mistakes, something doesn't align right. You save a step not having to unscrew things. So with that said, we're going to screw the legs to get it nice and tight, and then the seat will have a perfect fit on top. And then I like to hand tighten as much as possible, just to make sure it grabs the right thread and you're not stripping the thread. Get my power drill. Voila, front is done. Let's do the back side. Now here, the hole's a little bit longer. So what we'll do is use my Phillips screwdriver. And tighten it up. Okay, now the chair frame is complete. Let's add the seat. And so it has these easy guides. So this obviously goes in the front, and this will pop here in the back. So we'll line the front legs. Okay, folks, now all we have to do is apply these 2 screws down here at the bottom to secure the seat to the frame. Once it's tight, you don't need to use the power drill once you have it properly dry, especially the seat's not going to go anywhere. The last step now is to add the screw caps. So we'll do that real quick. So one of the neat things, and I don't know if you could show this, is the screw cap has a little pattern to it, and that pattern you want it to align with the pattern of the post. So those little threads, if you will, they're here on the leg of the chair. Voila, we're complete. Chair's ready to party. As you can see, it's easy to do, and you save a tremendous amount on shipping if you choose the option with some assembly required. Just get yours today at chiavari.com.